We used to meet with our billing team weekly. Now we meet once a month. We have communication all the time, but we don't have to meet face to face that often because we have such good communication within the system. Currently, we're a BCBA-owned clinic. Myself and another girl, Michelle, we're BCBAs and very involved in the clinic, and we're the owners. And we have 2 locations currently in the greater Austin area, opening a 3rd in the fall. We service kids from age 2 to about 17. Once they reach that 17, 18-year range, we work on transitioning them into a day program. My job is to make sure our billing, revenue, all of the operations are running smoothly so that our clinical staff can do the work they need to for the kids. So they don't have the hiccups. Hopefully everything's running smoothly. Being a small business, billing is a huge piece of what I look at. It's very important. Because without getting those claims paid, then we run into those issues. That's a big piece of why I like Motivity so much too. It's the ease of being able to see the billing. You know, Motivity was new for all of us, and my outside billing team was very excited about the compliance piece. We've been able to seamlessly come together and look at the reports and be able to talk about the reports because they're so easy to pull. It's so easy to find information. Within Motivity, I can see the denial or the claim. I can see the notes on it, and I don't have to try and search for it in another system and then send an email about it because I can't comment on it in that system. And so being able to communicate with the team through the system and through the claims and through the reports, I pulled this report, here's what I'm seeing. It's just made the administrative piece so much smoother. I spend so much less time digging. We used to meet with our billing team weekly. Now we meet once a month. We have communication all the time, but we don't have to meet face to face that often because we have such good communication within the system. One of my biggest things I always talk about is we need to reduce the number of different platforms that we use. Everything in a company. In our ABA company, we have multiple software systems, things like that. Our previous setup was one clinical and one practice management. Not talking to each other created issues. We did our session notes for patients in the clinical side, but they were not tied over to where we were billing on the practice management side. So there was a lot of administrative work, checking back and forth, not looking up this, going over to this system, and that created backlog sometimes. That's something that's been really nice with Motivity and has reduced our administrative time. I think scheduling is easier. We unfortunately deal with call outs from staff, and being able to look at that all provider schedule and know, okay, Susie's called out. I'm going to take Johnny, that appointment for Johnny, and whoop, I'm just going to slide it up here. That saves so much time because I don't have to go to 5 different views to cancel this appointment, reschedule this appointment, mark why this was canceled. It's very seamless in that aspect, and that saves a lot of time. The other administrative headache is, and I keep coming back to billing because it's such a huge piece of the operations side. I've been able to reduce the amount of times that I have to spend in face-to-face meetings with my billing team. We have a large amount of denials with one funder right now. I'm able to pull that information very quickly and ask those questions. Hey guys, what's happening here? I can make a note in certain denials that my billing team will see. The other piece is the compliance, where I try and create an appointment and Motivity tells me, hey, this person is not authorized to work with this patient. Then I can see why, and I can fix that error. We have it set up really well with our 2 locations. Things run really smoothly with Motivity, being able to create appointments, create reoccurring appointments. Even when we have some staff that travel to both locations, we've been able to seamlessly add multiple locations to staff members and create appointments there. The other piece I really like in the scheduling is I know that this person's certification is expiring soon. It gives me that alert. So there may be patients that they can or can't work with if that happens, or new onboarding. If they're not currently in RBT, it's right there on my dashboard. It's beautiful. I can see it right away. Oh, it's so much easier to be able to look at these two systems that actually talk to each other and get answers about, patients progress. What does their authorization look like? How is our utilization? With the new AI coach in there, that's amazing because I don't even have to sometimes pull a report. I can quickly glance and see how my BCBAs are doing on utilization, which directly impacts that client progress. And they can see that too. That's the piece I love. It's transparent there. I don't have to pull a report to tell a BCBA, here's what you've utilized. They can do that themselves and they can tell me how they're doing on their utilization. It also makes a difference when we're entering our appointments. If you enter one appointment per week, but then your AI coach isn't going to give you the correct information. So we really need to enter our appointments throughout the authorization. And that's something we require of our staff anyway. So I can look at that IA coach and go, something's really off here. And I look at the appointments. Well, they haven't done the appointments through the end of the authorization. And if we do those appointments to the end of the authorization, that information coach gives us is vital to being able to manage our utilization. Oh, this BCBA has used a lot of units and we're really early in the authorization. And my clinical director can check in and find out, this kiddo's having a lot of struggles with behaviorally and it's not reducing. We've tried this, this, and this. Okay, we've got multiple things we can strategize there. We can go with changing our authorization for next time. Is this going to decrease? And then what support does that BCBA need to help with the behavior, things like that. It just gives a lot of information. I'm always looking, how can we improve and do better for our staff and our clients? Motivity will save you time. It'll save you administrative burden. It seamlessly integrates the two systems we use the most in our practice, and it gives you information. It's easily accessible information. The other piece is Motivity Clinical is very customizable, and every clinic runs differently, looks different. It will run your way and look your way. What keeps me motivated? Kids. They are so fun. They're so funny to see them grow, to see the things they come up with. I'm operations. I don't have to be in the clinic. I could do all my work from home if I wanted to, but I have an office. I'm there every day. Besides, I come to our other clinic also because I want to see everybody there. Those kids are amazing. The other piece is really seeing my staff grow. The questions they ask when using Motivity, they've learned. I feel like they've actually learned a lot too, because they're asking different questions now when they're seeing programs written differently and they're taking data differently. So that's exciting for me too.